Hello everyone, Vince here. I just wanted to showcase the new HTMLcoin web wallet. I'm just going to go through the basic functions of this wallet. Okay, so I won't go through everything. I'll show you how to create the different wallets and how to restore them. Okay, so generate a new wallet. This password, be sure you write it correctly. You could write it into a text document and copy and paste it here. Either way, you need to write down this password and put it on a piece of paper and keep it somewhere safe, along with your private key, which I'll give you in a moment. Confirm. Okay, now I click this button, or you right click and save as, and that is my key file. That's gone into my download folder. So here's my wallet, here's my receiving address, and there's nothing in here. Write down, you copy it, paste it into a text document, and save it along with your key file in a jump drive. Okay? You can also write your password down on that same text file with your private key. So you'll have two files on a jump drive. Key file and your password and private key on a text document. You should also write them down on a piece of paper just to be extra safe. And if you're really paranoid and you want to archive these files, you can put it onto a CD or DVD. Okay, so let me just quickly send some HTML to this wallet. Okay, so I've sent my HTML to my wallet. So let's restore my wallet from key file. Upload. There it is. Password. And there's my 2 HTML. Okay, so I've shown you how to generate a new wallet and how to restore it from the key file. Let's send this to, let's show you how to send now. So that's my receiving address, amount, there's a fee, so 1.99. Confirm, double check the address, it's still in my clipboard, so I'll click paste, confirm, 1.5 to 2 seconds, and that's already in my desktop wallet. Okay, so this wallet is now empty. Let's create a wallet from mnemonic words. Generate new wallet. So again, same process. You if you're creating a wallet, you put your password in. Got it right. Here are my 12 words. Let's quickly... Okay, I just did a print screen. Okay, so I've remembered all these words. Let's check the password. Okay, let's check. Now, I'm going to write down these 12 words into here to check that I have everything done correctly. Alright, that's done. Confirm. And there's my wallet. Make sure, like I said, you write down your private key along with your password on the piece of paper and in a text file. If you've generated your wallet from Mnemonic, I also recommend you, dump as key file. So, password. Alright, and then you click this and you get your key file. The same way I showed you before. Whenever you generate a wallet, get your key file, save it onto a jump drive, along with the text file where you've copied and pasted your private key and the password which you used to encrypt your wallet. Okay, so you've got a paper and you've got a jump drive just to be safe. Alright, that's done. Okay, let me go back to my other wallet quickly, because I didn't show you the transactions. Restore from key file. Transactions. So wallet transactions, you can see 2 HTML in and out. That's that. Restore from with. Okay, I'm not going to go into this. This is a converted private key. This is in a slightly advanced function, which I'm not going to go into now. Restore from mobile wallet. Okay, so for those of you with a mobile wallet, you've got your 12 words. You enter them in here. Let me just try something. So I entered the 12 words from the wallet I created here from Mnemonic, but just to show you, it takes now if you're storing from a mobile wallet, you enter 12 words. I entered the 12 words here, and this is what it gives you. So obviously I've got nothing here, but that's that. I've shown you how to restore from key file, restore from ledger. Okay, so this is quite exciting. This is a development in the pipeline. So coming soon, that'll be exciting. I've viewed wallet info already, tax, transactions, safe send. Okay, this is another function I'm not going to go into detail, but it's about sending funds from an online computer to an online wallet to an offline wallet using two computers. Request payment, I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory. There's your receiving address, and dumping the key file we've done. Okay, never mind this. Just below here we've got the create contract, send to contract, and basically smart contract stuff. That's not important for now, but I think you have a good idea of how the HTMLcoin web wallet works. It's very simple. If you have any questions, please feel free to write them in the comments below. And that's it, guys. Cheers for now.